Hey y'all, so I haven't really vlogged in a few days. My eyes are really messing with me. My eye really kind of hurts and stuff. It's really irritated and itchy and everything. I think it's allergies, to be honest, but I don't know for sure. So yeah, today I just went to Target. I didn't really film anything at Target. I got a Hello Kitty advent calendar. And all I got other than that was just some socks. Okay, so room tour. There's my desk. And I'll get into like the close-ups of everything in a minute, but from far away, here's my room. There's my bed. This isn't my normal bedding. My dog peed on my normal bedding, so I had to put on this one. But yeah, that's the stuff I have on my wall. And I have a balloon for my sister's birthday party right there. All my jackets hanging in the closet on the bathroom door. My TV. My laundry basket. My candles and stuff that's on my dresser. And my ladder shelf. The first thing I have on there is I got the letter C behind it and those plant stickers. And then I got 2 fake plants and a fake eucalyptus hanging on there. And then I got my Bath & Body Works sprays and a couple perfumes and a couple cute water bottles. And then I have kind of like a catch-all basket type thing that I got from Dollar Tree. And I have that candle from Target and that clock from Target. Then I have another little tray that I have my purse in and a couple other things, and then that's just a gel nail kit. The bottom isn't so aesthetic. I have trash bags, like dog pee pads and stuff like that. And there's my closet. I got some necklaces hanging there. And over here, I have my skincare and stuff, my brushes, my computer. I got some more Bath & Body Works sprays over there. This isn't really done aesthetically or anything right now. And that's about it for the room tour. Nothing really too special. Just show you guys my updated room and everything. I don't know if I told you guys this, but I've been obsessed with these drinks lately. Sparkling ice. This one is strawberry watermelon, and I really like this one. Also, I did my makeup today for the first time in a while because I can't put makeup too close to my eyes because I have I can't remember what it's called. It's like kind of like an eye infection that comes from like sinus problems and allergies. So I can't use any eye makeup right now, so that's frustrating. On face makeup today, I have on the Smashbox concealer. I can't remember if they have more than one, but I have on the photo something one. I have on the Laura Mercier Ultra Blur powder. I have Gimme Brow in my brows. I have on the NYX bronzer that I talked about in my last Get Ready With Me video. And I have on this AOA Studio glowy blush, and that's all I have on for blush and highlight. I even have it on my nose. So I look very glowy today. Now I'm set up to where I can actually talk to you guys. And I'm gonna do a little Dollar Tree haul. I didn't really buy a lot of stuff, but I did buy a couple cool things. The first thing I got was old-fashioned ginger snaps. I used to eat these at my aunt's house when I was a kid, and I was obsessed. So I saw them and I was like, I haven't had those in years. So I had to. And I got some dots and little mini airheads. Mostly snacks, to be honest, what I got there. I got some snacks for my sister and everything. And stuff like that. I really thought that there was more to this haul than that, but I guess not. And then I had to go to Dollar General and get some mouthwash. So, and some chocolate milk for my sister. So I didn't really do much today. It's already 3 p.m. and I haven't started vlogging until just now. But the other day I took out all my fall stuff. I put away my spring, summer stuff. And I took out all my fall stuff to put in my closet. So my closet's looking really good. It's looking really nice and organized and color coordinated and stuff. Other than my sister's Halloween costume and that right there. And yeah, all that pile of stuff right there. But everything else here and around here is organized. And then right here it's organized, and there's Bella's ashes. And the only reason they're in my closet is because I'm so afraid that my sister will get a hold of them and break them somehow. So, like, I'm afraid to put them anywhere else. And there is my makeup drawers, which I switched up my makeup storage just a little bit. Right now, those are just cotton swabs on top of there. And then I have my Wet n Wild palette that's too big to fit inside the drawers. And I have my matte lips, more glossy lips. I got some cream blushes and bronzer, and I have a couple little eyeshadow palettes, a couple pigments. These are all my pot eyeshadows. And these are like blush palettes. And I have the Huda Beauty Love Fest palette, and Laura Geller and Patrick Star highlight. And I got some powder foundations and some concealers, and I think this is a glitter. Yeah, glitter and powder and everything in there. And here is my blushes, bronzers, and a couple eyeshadow palettes through the top here. This is the messy drawer. Speaking of that, I want to do a video once my eyes clear up and get better and everything. I want to do a video using the Falscara, because I purchased it a while ago and I just haven't used it. And I just got my sister's Halloween costume part. Some lashes that I bought at Dollar Tree, those are really pretty. Foundations and concealers. This is the concealer that I used today. Smashbox Photos Studio Skin. I said photos something, but it's Studio Skin. And all my eyeshadow palettes are through here. That's my makeup and stuff. And how I have it stored. I have it in my closet because my sister will get it and make a mess out of it if I don't. So that's my makeup collection. I just wanted to show you guys like updated collections of stuff that I've been really using a lot of lately, and that I haven't talked about in videos because I haven't been filming for the past like 9 months. So, and another thing that's annoying is I can't really even touch my eyes because I don't know, I'm just afraid that it's somehow contagious and it's not a good idea to touch my eyes. So I'm just trying not to touch my eyes. Allergic conjunctivitis is what it's called. Yeah, that's what it is. It says when the tissue becomes inflamed and it's caused by allergies. So that's what I have right now. So I can't really touch my eyes or anything because I really don't want to spread that or anything. Even though I don't know if you can. I'm just paranoid. But yeah. I just been resting and everything, and I cleaned my living room this morning, and my sister already messed it up. If you have toddlers, you already know. Yeah, I just have the one sister that I'm raising, and that's enough for me. I'm gonna tell you right now, that's enough for me. I don't think it'll be a minute before I decide to have my own kid or anything. If I do, it'll just be one though, because, and I feel like I have the experience of I've already raised a child, so I have experience of knowing how to raise a baby and a toddler. So I feel like when I actually do have my own kid, it'll be easier for me to take care of her and to take care of them and everything. What made me start talking about that? Maybe it's my age that's making me start thinking about that kind of stuff. I'm not dating anybody or anything right now. This fly just went on my shoulder. And ew, why is the question. I don't know why I'm thinking about this stuff right now, because I'm literally not dating anybody. My phone is so dry at the moment. Like, that's just... that just made me laugh. No, but the reality is, I feel like when you get to be like around 25, 26, 27, you start thinking about that kind of stuff anyway. Some people don't, but I noticed that a lot of women and people think about that kind of stuff at this age. I'm gonna clean my room, and honestly, there's not much to clean in here. I literally made my bed and everything already, and my room stays clean for the most part because my sister knows not to come in here. I don't let her in here because I have like a bunch of I have candles and like stuff laying around that she can get a hold of and break and everything. So I just she don't come in here very often. So that's why, because of that. But no, one thing I've been trying lately that I've been really obsessed with is the fresh kombucha facial treatment essence. I wish I didn't like this so much, because it's like, for a decent size, it's like $70. For an 8.4 ounce, it's $108. For a 5 ounce, it's $74. So even if I bought a 1.6 ounce, that's $36, and that probably only lasts like 2 weeks maximum. So yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be buying that. Personally, it just seems like it seems like it's out of my budget at the moment. So I'm going to be looking elsewhere. I like a lot of Korean and like Japanese beauty products. So I might look and see what kind of Korean or Japanese like essences that they have and stuff, and like ampoules and whatever, because I really need something that kind of like refines the skin and does kind of what the kombucha one does, but not at the kombucha one price.